Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. In a recent development, Iran has issued a stern warning to Israel, stating that it would deploy weapons never used before if Israel retaliates against its recent attack. This warning comes in the wake of heightened tensions between the two countries. The escalation began when Iran launched a direct attack on Israel, firing more than 300 missiles and drones. This attack was reportedly in response to a deadly airstrike on Tehran's consulate building in Damascus, which was widely attributed to Israel. Israel, on the other hand, has stated that it is prepared to retaliate against Iran's recent attack. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has summoned his war cabinet to decide on the appropriate course of action. Israel's military chief, Herzi Halevi, emphasized that any attack on Israel's territory would be met with a swift response. He stated that Israel is considering its next steps and that 13th April Iranian strike will be met with a response. Meanwhile, Deputy Foreign Minister of Iran for Political Affairs, Ali Bagheri Khan, asserted that Iran would respond in seconds to any strikes from Israel and would even deploy weapons never used before, if necessary. The international community, including the US and Russia, has urged both sides to exercise restraint to avoid further escalation. The White House stated that Iran did not provide warnings to the United States last week about its timeframe for launching an attack on Israel or its potential targets. As tensions continue to rise, Israel remains on high alert, with authorities lifting some emergency measures that had been put in place in the wake of the situation. However, the country remains prepared for any potential escalation in the conflict. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.